Getting into golf or coming back after some time off? The key to a better game often starts with fitness. First, focus on flexibility. Your swing depends on smooth, wide-range movements, so commit to regular stretching at least 4 times a week. Not just any stretches, but ones that target rotational movements for your core, hips, and shoulders to mirror your swing. Next, strength training is essential, but make it relevant. Aim for exercises that mimic parts of your golf swing to build practical power. Don't forget your wrists. They're crucial for control and power, so strengthen them specifically. Pair every strength move with a stretch to get balanced results. Staying healthy on the course is equally important. Always warm up with stretches and practice swings. Protect your skin with sunscreen and sunglasses, and keep hydrated. Skip alcohol as it dehydrates. Lift heavy bags properly by using your legs, and stay alert for flying golf balls. Watch out for lightning. Safety comes first. Whether you're new to golf or experienced, conditioning your body helps make each round feel better and improve your performance naturally. Please like and subscribe to Capital Golf Info. Thanks for watching!